Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Capital One have Apple Pay? Now, I know that a lot of people are looking for ways to make their payments easier and more convenient, and Apple Pay is definitely one way to do that. So, if you're a Capital One customer, you're probably wondering if you can use Apple Pay with your card. The answer is yes. Capital One does have Apple Pay, and you can use it with your eligible credit cards and debit cards. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay with your Capital One card, and I'll also talk about some of the benefits of using Apple Pay. How to set up Apple Pay with your Capital One card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus button to add a new card. Select credit or debit. Enter your Capital One card information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you've set up Apple Pay, you can use it to make payments in stores, apps, and online. Benefits of using Apple Pay with your Capital One card. There are a number of benefits to using Apple Pay with your Capital One card. Here are a few of the most notable. Security. Apple Pay uses advanced security features to protect your card information. Convenience. Apple Pay is easy to use, and you can make payments quickly and easily. Rewards. You can earn rewards on your Capital One card when you use Apple Pay. So, there you have it. Capital One does have Apple Pay, and you can use it with your eligible credit cards and debit cards. If you're looking for a way to make your payments easier and more convenient, I highly recommend setting up Apple Pay with your Capital One card. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you enjoyed this video about whether or not Capital One has Apple Pay. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Apple Pay. Thanks for watching.